Hey guys, we've gotten to the last part of our story. Last time we left off, the pilot was telling his crew and the passengers that there'd be a hard landing and to hang in there. So at this point, the plane hit the water. It was a jolt. Then water started coming into the plane, but they helped each other. The airline workers helped them out. They helped them get out, and when everyone was safe, the captain left too. They were standing on the wings of the plane as it floated in the water. It was sinking. But boats came to get them. There were firemen on the boats. There were police officers too. The people on the boats said they were lucky to have such a good captain. He said, "It is not about me. We all did it together. In fact, you're the heroes." Everyone was grateful to the captain, even though he said that.